If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Locals.com, this guide will help you resolve the issue quickly. Follow these steps to get your verification completed. Step 1. Check your email. Ensure that you have received the verification email from Locals.com. Sometimes, the email may end up in your spam or junk folder, so be sure to check there as well. Step 2. Resend verification email. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Click the verification link. Once you receive the email, open it and click on the verification link provided. This action should take you back to Locals.com and update your verification status. Step 4. Clear browser cache. If the verification status still shows as pending, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This can help resolve any loading issues that may be affecting your account. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Locals.com support for assistance. Provide them with your account details and explain the issue for a quicker resolution. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status on Locals.com efficiently. If the problem persists, don't hesitate to seek further help from customer support.